So we're doing a little city tour. We're just doing a walking. The last time we came here, there was no walking involved, but it's kind of nice to be able to get off and see a lot of the town, to see kind of what they make, and a little more of the culture than we did last time, where we were just on a bus driving through some streets and we went by the beach. So this will be kind of fun to be able to see a little bit more, and if we want any we'll be able to do some shopping and stuff here as well. So as you know, there's always a lot of little motorbikes, so it's quite loud here. But still super fun to be able to get out and see a little bit more. And I love to walk, so this is good. But I'm getting hungry. When I get back on the ship, I'm gonna be starving. Through the city. There's some beautiful areas to see. It's been a nice little walking tour. We went through this very famous area. It's all pink. And then walked through the famous umbrella area. We were brought over to this beautiful church. And then we came to the center area where it's more like your center area, like your town square. And so there's a lot of things happening in this area, but I'm sure a lot of people come. They do festivals here and things like that, and people selling their items, paintings, all kinds of pigeons. But it's kind of cool to see. It's just a very cool place to kind of be able to come to. We kind of drove by last time, and so it was kind of nice to be able to stop, walk around, so to get off and not just stretch our legs, but actually see this area. It's really, really nice. So we are back from our excursion. It was pretty good. It was actually a little long. I hate to say that, but it's probably because I'm hungry and I haven't ate that much. We did stop by the beach, and that was pretty fun. And then we also went to a fort, and I was able able to get a couple things. They still think Christmas is year-round here, apparently, which that's fine by me. All right, well, we're starving. Need to get something to eat. We also want to get our passport stamped, so hopefully that will happen.
Wedding, just pathetic, let it give me involved in that he said, she said, crap. I want to have your baby. Okay, spread the love, share the wealth. Oh my word, we're double vlogging.
We're double vlogging.
This is a cute little camera as well. What's this? Is this DJI?
Yes, it is.
You fancy. Fancy. Well, Dina, you need to get your people to like, subscribe, to share as well. Yes. Spread this love. And like me as well, find me, Lee, your cruise director on Facebook, Instagram, all that good stuff.
Director. Follow.
Thank you. Oh. I think she's cropped you out, you know. No.
Oh, there I am. Hi.
Hey, Brent.
It was a beautiful day, though. And it's about, I don't know what time it is, 3:30. We should be sailing away pretty soon. It is. We are right above, I think, the Havana area. I'm pretty sure this is the Havana area below me, which has, like, you know, private pool and stuff like that. So, anyway, it's kind of cool. I can sit and spy on people. No, I'm kidding. Just kidding. Anyway, we should be pulling away from Amber Cove pretty soon. And then we just ate. I was so hungry. Oh, ended up just having a sandwich. So this, on the Mardi Gras and the celebration, it's a little bit different in the deli than other ones. And this is the first time because I did not go to the deli on the Mardi Gras. So I realized that they don't have their chips, like potato chips. I know it sounds like a weird thing. But when I've gone to the deli on all the other ships, they've had potato chips to go with your, like, sandwich or hot dog, whatever. So I thought that was very interesting that they don't have that. So anyway, but I mean, you know, different ship. So but yeah, so this, all in all, the excursion was pretty good. I think I would have preferred having done the city tour first and then do the Monkeyland second, because that would have been easier. I don't know. It just seemed like once we did the monkeys and stuff, we were kind of, I think everybody's getting a little bit tired. And there was a lot of waiting involved in between. And then the city tour, we got off and were able to walk around. We saw some really cool things you saw. But it also just wasn't, it felt slightly rushed. And then we were also stopping in a lot of stores and different things where they probably, like, vendors are wanting, you know, tourists to come, so they would stop, which is how it is done. I mean, it's nothing new. It just seemed like there was a lot more stops. Typically, you maybe do like a couple stops. It literally probably was like 4 different stops at vendors. So, yeah, and then you have to watch whatever they're doing and stuff like that. Anyway, it was just really long. It was a lot, and I don't know. And I want to support the local economy. It's just that it's just kind of difficult when, you know, you don't really have an opportunity to go back and see those things, but you're not sure what else later on that you want to purchase. So, you know, do you buy it now or do you buy something later? Anyway, it's just kind of all crazy. Anyway, it was a beautiful day. Oh, anyway, sail away is coming pretty soon. So we have the pier over there. I don't see any pier runners, so that's a good thing, right? No pier runners. No little carts like coming super fast. Alright, we had a lovely dinner. I forgot to, we just sat and talked, so we didn't even film. In fact, I forgot my camera. And, well, I had my phone, but anyway. I had my cell phone, so this is all I took a picture of, is my cheesecake. And it was delicious. Anyway, Elsie and I, we got cold, so came back to the room and got a sweater. She's changing. And she's ready.
Yes, I am.
Okay. Oh, yeah, it got cold. It's been cold this whole cruise. It's been really weird.
I have only shorts I brought.
I know, me too. 4 pairs of shorts, 1 pair of jeans, and a lounge.
Nice, cute little. In 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go!